This is Brad Campbell with CIT 33602. This is my video for enhancement number 2. I've already started MySQL database server and Apache web server. I have NetBeans open to the SQL folder that contains my enhancement 2 text file, which contains the queries that I've made for the Acme database. I also have the localhost PHP MyAdmin open on Google Chrome. I'm in the clients table of the Acme database. I'm going to go to NetBeans and I'm going to copy query number 1. I'm going to paste it over into the localhost. Hit paste. I'm going to run go. One row inserted. I'm going to go to browse, and one row has been inserted with a client ID of 1 and a client level of 1. I'm going to go back to the SQL. I'm going to clear it out. I'm going to go back to NetBeans and go to query number 2 in the text file. I'm going to copy that. I'm going to paste it. And I'm going to run the query. One row affected. We'll go to browse. The client ID is 1. The client level now has been changed to 3. Open that up a little bit more. Sorry about that. We're going to go back to NetBeans and we're going to switch to the inventory table. Now we're going to go to query number 3. We'll copy that. We're going to paste it. We're going to run the query by hitting go. One row affected. And we'll go back to browse and we'll go down to where nylon rope is. It's been changed to climbing rope, and also it has been changed also in the inventory description. This climbing rope is ideal for all uses, and it's still in small letters, so that query worked properly. We're going to go back to NetBeans and we're going to go to query number 4, and we are going to copy this query. And we'll go back to SQL, and we're going to paste it, and we'll hit go. As you can see, this worked. The inner join did work between the two tables. It came up with 7 return values for the miscellaneous category name. Now we're going to go back to NetBeans, and we're going to go to query number 5, which should delete a row. I'm going to copy that. We'll go back up here to SQL, clear that out. We'll paste it, and we're going to run that. Hit go. As it says, localhost is warning me. I'm going to hit OK, and we'll go back and look for that. The browse. As you can see, the one with the funky name with the car name is gone now. Row 7, right between 6 and 8, has been deleted from the database. So there's all the queries that have been run, and they have all worked properly. I'm going to go back to NetBeans now, and we're going to go to the connections folder, which is in the library, the connections PHP file, which is in the libraries folder. We're going to open that up, and I'm going to run the file. As it says, it gave me an error there because I probably didn't save it last time. So I'm going to go back and I'm going to fix that. And I'm going to go up here and I'm going to click save. And now we're going to run it again. It should give me a blank screen. And there you go. So as you can see, the connection does work. And it also errors back to do that one more time. I'll save it. We'll click run file. And it goes back to localhost Acme view and my 500.php page saying that there's a server error. So I'll go back in here and fix that back again. And we'll save it. That's my video for enhancement number 2. Thanks for watching, and look forward to next week.